Welcome, Brennan Bears. I'm Jalen.
And I'm Adrian, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Thursday, September 19, 2019.
Many high schools in our district and beyond do not experience the many joys that we do at Brennan. So Brennan ambassadors have partnered with a fellow Northside High School to help make their homecoming season a great one for their student population. The ambassadors leadership team invite you to look in your closet to find any gently used outfit that might make someone's formal event a much more delightful experience. For more information on the ambassadors fall formal drive, see Mr. Lopez in A204.
Bears, open houses tonight from 6:30 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Bring your family members to this year's open house, which will feature an 8-period visiting schedule beginning at 7 p.m. Each period will begin 5 minutes, followed by a 5-minute passing period. Fifth period will be extended 5 minutes for a PSA greenback donation drive. We'll also have a 20-minute bonus round following 8th period. The final bell will be at 8:40 p.m. See you there.
Last Saturday, our cross-country varsity Bears finished 3rd overall as a team, and the varsity Lady Bears finished 7th overall at the UIW Invitational Cross-Country Meet at the Live Oak City Park. Come out and support them again this Saturday at Gus Stadium at 8 a.m. Take a look at some highlights of our running Bears.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual cheer clinic next Saturday, September 21st from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and participation in the performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Ms. Cynthia Farad 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Our Lady Bears volleyball team fought hard this past Tuesday against Clark, but fell to them in 3 games. Their district record is now 3-3. Let's support them tomorrow against Stevens at Paul Taylor at 5:30 p.m. Take a look at some highlights of Tuesday's game.
Congratulations to 52 of our Bears for earning AP Scholar status, 3 of whom are National AP Scholars, 4 of whom earn AP Scholars with honors, and 7 earn AP Scholar with distinction. Ask your teachers to show you the list.
Finally, make plans to attend the blackout-themed pep rally tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the main gym to cheer on our Bears varsity football team, who will go up against Taft on Saturday at Ferris at 7 p.m. and also support our Lady Bears volleyball, who look to crush Stevens. Let's take a look at one of the Bears' biggest supporters.
Well, that's all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you miss any part of this broadcast, watch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website.
I'm Jalen. Have a great day, Bears.
And I'm Adrian, signing off from BTV. See you at tonight's open house.
BTV, 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 BTV.